This group shows the real power of 1 plus 1 equals to 11, and now we have a bigger vision of making it 111. I am Sagar Agrawal. I am one of the member of the first co-circle, and we have recently completed the 1 year and have entered into the new year with this co-circle. This entire 1 year has been an amazing journey for me as an individual, where I was able to see myself not only from the perspective of a founder, but from an individual, a human being, a family person, and many more aspects which I was not able to see earlier. Uh, Nitin's compass helped me actually define my goals and track them. Thank you so much to the entire team, entire secretariat of Co-Circle for creating this group. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek. This is neither a sales group where transactional value is focused, nor it is a group where it's about kitty party or you are having a vibe with your friends and people. When I was in this group in a year, I was able to create my goals into an actionable item list, and I understood a lot of new perspective on things which helped me shape myself in a way like I was not able to do in the last 10 years as well. So this has changed my mindset quite differently because of the people who were here, and I'm really fortunate that I was part of such an amazing group.
Hi everyone, my name is Jitendra Singh, and I used to think that what kind of people they are who are such great achievers, doing great work in their lives. But I see that the challenges, the struggles, they are just the same, and that's what make it so beautiful as a group. That being a founder, we have a lonely journey, but it's not lonely. And as Nitinji always says that find your co. I think that was the main intention to be part of this group and say that we have 9 other co's now who can be with us, and it's a beautiful structure on how we are following up with each other, educating each other, learning and exchanging ideas. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Thank you Nitin bhai, thank you Anuj bhai, and everyone who have invited me and made me part of this group. So happy. Thank you.
So hi, my name is Anuj. Very good experience of the co-circle, and we made close bonds with some 6-7 people. So that was a very enriching experience, and first time you were able to think beyond certain areas of your life. तो आई गेस काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है.
हेलो, मेरा नाम रोहित है. को सर्किल ज्वाइन करने के बाद मैं अपनी पर्सनल फिटनेस के फील्ड में कई बार बाउंस बैक किया. जो अक्सर कोई रिदम टूटने पर हम महीनों महीनों छोड़ देते हैं, यहाँ बाउंस बैक करने के रीजंस और सपोर्ट रहे. प्रोफेशनल साइड पे एक क्रिटिकल सेटबैक को मैं को सर्किल के गाइडेंस से टैकल कर पाया हूँ होपफुली, और मैं वापस से फ्लोट कर रहा हूँ. तो जो अदरवाइज़ अकेले रहते हुए बहुत ही लोनली और डिवास्टेटिंग फील करा सकता था, एज आई बिकेम पेरेंट दिस ईयर, तो रिलेशनशिप्स विद पीपल, स्पेशली योर फैमिली, योर वाइफ, योर किड, मैनेजिंग दैट विद योर प्रोफेशन, जो बहुत ही कम्बरसम हो जाता है एट टाइम्स और आप उसको नहीं संभाल पाते हो, को सर्किल के साथ मैंने उसे बहुत अच्छे से संभाला मेरे इवैल्यूएशन में. तो मेरे लाइफ के कई ऐसे एस्पेक्ट जो साथ में चल पाए, ये मैं को सर्किल में आने के बाद और पीरियोडिक पॉजेज़ लेकर रिफ्लेक्ट करने पर इसको कर पाया. तो ये एक मेरे लिए उपलब्धि है.